Hi party peoples, hope you guys doing well. Today's sightseeing we're going to see the ice festival in the Cripple Creek, Colorado Springs. Guys, because of the COVID-19 issue, they're not able to have this for past 2 years. But after that, they returned it back to 2023. Past ice festivals have all concerned on a theme. The guided the ice covers final sculpture, but this year organizers given the freedom to covers to do whatever they like. So you can see the beautiful ice sculptures one side and you can taste delicious food in the other side. There is another important thing should I remember you guys. The Cripple Creek sits at an elevation of 9,494 feet. So it's important to be mindful of the altitude. Make sure you bring a lot of water and keep yourself hydrated. When you come to see this festival, you can see great street vendors on a weekend and selling all sort of creative gift that will leave your pockets a little lighter than when you got there. And you can go through the several permanent shops in town and offer unique souvenirs you can take to home. Fine guys, today is a wonderful day for my life and I enjoyed, I had a delicious food. So if you guys enjoy my video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe us, stay with Sightsee.